Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to find Telegram group user phone number. So you have to just open the Telegram app on the Android device or iOS. When it's open, so you have to open the anyone chats example like this. So you have to open randomly chat someone's. So you have to click to the username of this and there is the information. So here you can find the group user information or contact number from there. So there you can copy it and paste it whatever you want to saved. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.